TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to the 1 p.m. update. I'm your guest host, anyways, my name is Steve Rhodes. So thanks so much for being here. Right now, we've got all the indices trading to the upside. You've got the Dow up 436 points, 1 3/10%. Leading the charge to the upside, it's Russell 2000 up over 3%, 45 points, trading out at 1424. But what I want to do here, while we've got a couple minutes together, is we're going to go take a look at the New York Stock Exchange. The reason that you and I are going to go look at the New York Stock Exchange, let me get my charts up here, is because it's the one that's giving us the best signal as to what the market's intention is today. And also a level. Well, here, let's just pull the chart over here. Let's not let me talk about it. Instead, let's go ahead and pull this chart over. So we're looking at my white background chart. What you'll see out here, well, when you see the pattern that's out here, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. That's the Gartley buy pattern. You can see how this worked, and this turned into a TD9 count. So we've got a valid topping signal inside the New York Stock Exchange. Let me just get rid of this here. That's where you can see letter F on my screen out here, and that's the bar following bar number 9. TD9 count pattern, folks, when it makes a top or bottom, we'll do it on bars 8, 9, or the bar following 9. In this case, that is what transpired here. Now, whenever a market makes a top, which in the New York Stock Exchange case it has, then all that sellers have the ability to do is to try to push price down to support places where a breakout occurred. Well, we use this TD9 pattern here. That specific level, it's very easy. You want to use this pattern. You want to learn this pattern. 11,590.31. We can see how prices pulled back a couple of different times and tested that level, and it has held. So what we know about the overall market, or the general market out here, or at least the indice that's given us the most information right now, is price has not been able to bust through support. Now, it's got a valid topping signal. This would say that the New York Stock Exchange would have a further counter trend rally, maybe up to Stevie's green line at 12,037. And all of that makes sense. What do you mean it makes sense, Steve-O? Well, it makes sense when we take a look at the New York Stock Exchange oversold condition. Here, that is panel number 2. It's the advanced decline oscillator. It's measuring the difference between the 39 and 19 period exponential moving average of the advanced decline data. Now, when it gets down into the minus 150 level, and it was below minus 150 on Friday, the actual close out there was minus 206. Oversold. So what we've got going out here, we've got a nice counter trend rally. It looks like it wants to last. Price was not able to bust them down. And if we can look at all the other indices out here, and we'll do that during the next hour of the Trader's Edge out there. But you'll see it's the only New York Stock Exchange that has so far tested and rejected support. The others haven't made it down to support. Have a great day, folks.